Hey guys, welcome back to Maguz Khan PC Tricks. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick to hide control panel settings so that no one can access or make changes to your PC. With this method, you can prevent anyone from modifying your system settings. This is useful if you share your computer with others and want to restrict access to critical settings. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Press Windows plus R together to open the Run dialog box. Type Control and hit Enter to open Control Panel. Right now, all the settings in the Control Panel are visible and functional. But we are going to hide them completely so that no one can make changes. Close Control Panel before making changes. Press the Windows button and type Edit Group Policy, then hit Enter. Navigate to the following path: User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel. Now that we're inside the Group Policy Editor, let's apply the restriction. Double-click on Show Only Specified Control Panel Items. Select Enable to activate the restriction. Click Show and enter the names of the settings you want to keep visible. If you leave it empty, all settings will be hidden. Click OK, then Apply, and OK again to save changes. We have now successfully restricted access to control panel settings. Let's test if it works. Press Windows plus R, type Control, and hit Enter to open Control Panel. You will now see only a blank page or the message There are no items to display when clicking on any settings. Even if you switch the view to large icons or small icons, all options will remain hidden. As you can see, Control Panel is now completely locked down. No one will be able to access or modify the settings. To undo the changes, open the Group Policy Editor again. Go to Show Only Specified Control Panel Items and set it to Not Configured. Click Apply and OK to restore all settings. Now, open Control Panel again, and you will see that all settings are available again. And just like that, we have successfully restored full access to the Control Panel. I hope you found this trick useful. This method is a great way to protect your PC from unwanted changes. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome PC tips and tricks. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.